Hello everybody, this is Khashir. Welcome to part 5 and probably last part of Sqlite and Python. We continue developing our context manager with database. So after last time we could have some kind of data check and be sure that user can't enter duplicated or empty record to our database. Let's take care of the rest of the methods, which are remove, update, and probably we need to have some kind of termination or exiting the program. So in remove, we simply start with printing the header. So print here, we can write something like remove or delete, or let's say delete. And also right now then name equal input enter the name and connecting to Sqlite connection file db equal Sqlite 3 dot connect and connection cursor equal db dot cursor. Also, one thing we need to be sure if we can ask after we are getting the name, we should ask a confirmation question like how we can have some kind of variable as like, let's say confirm all input are you sure? And here we should have yes or no. So if confirm equal that lower case, then database connection, and after we have a cursor, and now we can say cursor dot execute delete. This is special Sqlite command for deleting the record, one record from contacts where name value is name equal unknown value, and we have to specify the value here. The value will be the name which we got from with input, and db.commit and print record contact removed from database. So time.sleep, just 1 second to display the message, and after self.menu. So Here also we can have ask for delete more or something, maybe, or maybe not. Let's keep it simple. And else, like, if change your mind, if you don't want to continue, then we just we can display something like print exiting to main menu, time.sleep 1 second, and self.menu. Let's see. If confirm, oh yes. If confirm equal, just equal. All right. Get the list. All right, let's take care of Jack and delete him. Are you sure? Yes. Commit. Yeah. Double M. Of course. So one more time, never mind. Then right into remove. Enter name, Jack. Sure, yes. And list for. Okay. All right. So I need to continue. Okay. Now let's go to our update method. An update method will be a little bit more complicated. So we start again with print the header, print update or edit, maybe, I don't know, and it really doesn't matter. So again, name now equal input, enter contact name, or enter the name, enter a contact name to update. And after we can again ask, so for example, confirm equal input, are you sure? So yes, are you sure? So if confirm equal y dot lower, then again db. And also one important thing we have to before I forget, after we are commit here on remove, let's say db.close. All right, then db equal Sqlite 3 dot connect to connection, and after cursor equal db dot cursor, and we all. So now that we have the name, we know which contact we are going to edit or update. Let's take care of phone number and address, because we can ask the user if you want to update the phone number or if you want to update the address. We are not going to ask for changing the name because we just don't want to change the name. Like, if it's up to you, maybe you can write something like change the name too. But I'm going to just change it phone or address. I'm going to ask the user for this to input. So phone number, phone update. It will be a question equal input, and there we can have update phone, yes or no. So if phone update equal y.lower, then we can say new number, or just say phone equal input, and here enter new number. Okay, and here when we have the name and we have the new number, so cursor dot execute update all uppercase, contacts, and set, which are the mutator. Actually, this is C mutator or setter, or how we want to call it. Then phone and where name equal unknown value. And actually, when we want to update, we should and also, let's see, and here we should have phone and name. So we have two unknown values, and we are going to give the system these two values from here. So basically, we are executing the update command in Sqlite, and is updating the table, setting the new phone number, which are getting from this line, to this name, which we are getting from here, and we are giving the system the values here. And after db.commit and time.sleep, 0.50 would be enough. Okay. All right, let's first try this line if it's working as we want. Where I have line 75, line 75. Oh, yes. Terrible mistake. I'm just joking. Okay, update. What if, let's say I'm going to delete this file for now, and we run the program, create a connection file, connect to database. All right, add, let's say, for example, Jack. We add again Jack and phone number 1234561 and address London. No, exit to main menu, and now we want to have update. Enter contact name Jack. Are you sure? Yes. Update phone. Yes. And enter the new number. Let's say 222222. Okay. And let's see now. Now we have a Jack with change number, so it's working. What else we are going to ask? We are going to ask also about the address. So if the confirmation is yes, of course it will go away, and if not, if no, it will continue. So if now here we can ask for address. So what is this? address update equal inputs like update address and yes or no, and if address update equal y dot lower, then we say address equal input, enter, oh, my caps lock, enter new address. And now again, cursor dot execute again up there, update contacts, yeah, and set address equal unknown value, and where name is also unknown value, and there we can have address for that name. Simple enough. Seriously. db.commit. So, and after time.sleep, maybe 50 milliseconds. So, and else just as and in any case should we print update record been updated in any case. Okay, we can have something like this. We can have, so if none of these if statements are positive, then we can go back to our main menu. Then we, without any change, then we can have like print like exiting to main menu, or how we can write something no change. Exiting without the change. Yeah, maybe exiting to main menu without change. Yes, change in database. All right, and time.sleep, maybe 1 second this time, and self.menu. And so here, if I'm not sure about this line, but if we have this line, that it will do the operation and after we'll jump to the second if statement, do the operation, and you can write something like this, or for example, if phone update, it's not that lower, and address update also it's not yes, that's why that lower, then just get rid of this else, then print exit the main menu without change in database time.sleep. So it will check three if statements, because we just want to be sure all these conditions been asked from user. And so if not, it's going to jump out anyway here. So we can write here something like print record updated. And again, time.sleep, 1 second, and record updated, and database dot close, of course, and self.menu. Okay, then let's try. Connect database. Let's see, we have just one jack there. Okay, we changed the number. Now let's change the address. U for update, enter contact name to update, write jack. Are you sure? Yes. Update phone? No. Update address? Yes. New address? Oslo. DE. Oh, my bad. Where is it? DE should be database. Yes. All right, then one more time. Connect to database. All right, then update. Run again 3. For update is 3. Enter the name Jack. Are you sure? Update the phone? No. Update address? Yes. New address? Also. Record updated. Get a list. Jack Oslo. Let's go to update now. Enter the contact name to update. Jack. Are you sure? No, this time to check that condition. Update address? No. So here shouldn't ask us because we said we don't want to update. Are you sure? No. Okay, let's see what's going on there. Yes. Yeah. All right, here is it. Then we have to bring up, I think, all this stuff under this statement. Yeah, because if we are sure we are going to update anything, it will ask for phone and it will ask for um, address and everything, and then else, if we said no, then again we can copy this line here and these three lines and put them here. All right. Okay, and we can just try now. So update, enter contact name to update, Jack. Are you sure? No. All right. So what else we need to do? What else we need to do? Anything else we need to check? So we check this condition, which execute all this block of codes, and after we check this condition for updating phone, check this condition. So what if we say no to update phone and after say no to update also address, then we should just go back to main menu without any change. Let's try that. So go to update again, enter contacts, yes, Jack. Are you sure? Yes. Update phone, no. Update address, no. And exit the main menu. All right, then it's working. So the only thing we need to do now is terminate function, and terminate function actually is nothing but displaying some message and doing some beeping. So nothing really special. So after get list somewhere here terminate, then we can have print print exiting the shell, and win sound dot beep 3050. Copy this line and just 2 times here, and time.sleep like 50 millisecond here, and print 1 2 3, and we can copy this here just for display. There's really no need for this 3 lines. Every time we can go down with 1 dot, and at the end say exit. So just need to check every time we did any operation, we close the database at the end. So let's see, here we have add, commit, database, we close it here, and else with save entry can't be okay, empty. And in update also cursor, we update everything. If confirm is yes, so here we have database and also this one. Yeah, at the end we close it. All right. And in remove as well, we close it. Okay, and in list, in our list option, this is get a list, because in list, cursor, press any key to continue, end of the record. Then here we can say database.close. So also close it here. And then we don't need to be worried about that in our terminate method. So let's save it and go there. Okay, let's add one contact very fast. Me 11111 and address, let's say Milan this time. Add more, no. Exit into a main menu. All right, let's remove something. Just check all the function until the name. We want to remove Jack. Are you sure? Yes. Error contact removed, and we can get the list. We just have one name. Okay. If we want to update that, only enter what we have there. Yes, enter contact name to update. All right. And are you sure? Yes. Update the phone. Yes. The new phone. Okay. 2222222. And update address. Also yes. And enter new address. I will move to Oslo. Get report update, and we have a list. Everything is working, and we can go back to the main menu. And at the end, all right, we say we want to go out, exiting the shell. Oh, and also the only thing we need to do is like confirm equal input. Again, are you sure? Same as other confirms what we wrote. So if confirm equal yes, then do all this stuff, and else print exiting to main menu. So again, time.sleep, 1 second, and self.menu. All right, and that's everything we need to do. Just checking the terminate method here. 5, are you sure? No. Exit the main menu again. Are you sure? Yes. That's it. All right, then we are done with this little contacts manager. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I could help you with something and teach you something here. So as always, if you like my videos, please subscribe. If you want me to do specific and work on a specific topic, or you have some ideas or something, some requests, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I hope see you soon in next tutorial.